Ladies and gentlemen, स्वागत कीजिए अपनी होस्ट और दोस्त शिबानी दांडेकर का।
Hello and welcome to Cotton Council International presents Let's Design 3, Naturally in Love. I'm Shibani and I'm here to take you into a world of fashion, ambition and pure competition. In Season 1, Cotton Council International sought after budding designers who had the zeal to make a big name for themselves in the Indian fashion industry, and we found not one but many such raw and polished diamonds. And that's why we returned with Let's Design Season 2 to allow India's youthful talent to shine brighter than ever before. So let's take a quick peek back at the last two seasons of Cotton Council International presents Let's Design.
Let's Design की जब शुरुआत हुई तो कई उम्मीदें जगी।
बस बंद कर दीजिए, टाइम हो गया। Hang up your garments now.
और देश के बडिंग डिजाइनर्स को एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला।
The best overall designer prize goes to
Shrivan Bhatia.
पहले सीजन की अपार सफलता के बाद लौटा दूसरा सीजन।
You are going to be given an opportunity to prove your skill as designers.
The award to the winner of the Let's Design Season 2, Best Overall Designer, and the winner.
और एक बार फिर पूरे देश में शुरू हुई चर्चा लेट्स डिजाइन की।
It's Priyanka.
और अब बारी है सीजन 3 की।
In 2011 as well, Cotton Council International presents Let's Design Season 3 has called designers from all over the country who not only appreciate cotton, but use it in the best possible way to express their creativity. And they shall do it not just for the fabric, but also for the chance to win this year's massive prize. So what is it? This year our finalists get the biggest, the grandest, the most high-profile launch by India's biggest fashion house, Kimaya, across its stores in India and Dubai, and to have their designs exhibited next to prominent names such as Aki Nurullah, Manish Arora and Tarun Tahiliani.
For the first time, a media house, a great television channel called Zoom, a fashion house called Kimaya, and a federation, a cotton federation, one of the best in the world, called CCI, have come together to not only screen, filter, pinpoint the next generation of Indian fashion.
Pradeep Irani has created a huge brand out of Kimaya. Today it is almost a worldwide brand. So when someone like Kimaya says, find us the designers and we'll give them the platform for retail and stock them in shops from Dubai through Delhi to Bombay, it's fantastic.
It's wonderful that the winner shall be able to showcase from Kimaya, because Kimaya is the biggest fashion house in the country at the moment.
Kimaya is one of the stores where I started my career in fashion as well. I was one of the sales boy in Kimaya actually. That's where I started my career. And they've always supported young talent. They've always supported creativity.
That's a great thing from Kimaya, that they are giving the opportunity to these designers to, supply their garments to their store, and it's a great opportunity to start.
Not just this, the final winner of Let's Design 3 will also get to feature in Verve, India's finest magazine for India's finest people. Plus, an internship with the magazine for 3 months and a chance to accompany Verve on one of their cover shoots. Phew! Could you have asked for a bigger launch? No wonder we received a humongous response to this year's auditions. Take a look.
Let's Design Season 3 के लिए शुरू हुई तलाश यहाँ।
I have very high expectations, especially from the city of Bangalore, which I consider a design crucible.
Bangaloreans are very subdued and mellow, and it's so nice to see them stand on a national platform.
जांचने परखने के बाद चुने हुए कुछ डिजाइनर्स ने पेश किए अपने अनोखे डिजाइन्स।
I think the garment has come anywhere near to the finesse of your drawing.
actually in love with the dream.
Okay.
Dream has always been my solving tool. This talks about my dream.
No woman can wear it because you know her bust will pop out.
Whenever I dream about, it gives me proper clarity.
We've understood about your dreams. Now tell us about the reality.
You definitely have something in you.
I find it quite confusing.
Inside this, I wanted to depict, in India. India is very colorful.
One day you could be a very good designer,
I
stick
really
to it.
think you definitely have something in you. I like that.
But I feel it has not been done properly. There's definitely a lot of talent there.
Yes, sir.
And I just think you need to refine your thinking.
Yes, sir.
And the winner is...
Govind. And Sachi.
And in position number 3, Srinath. Please come forward. Congratulations, congratulations.
बेंगलुरु में मिले 3 फाइनलिस्ट और अब बारी आई है कोलकाता की।
We'd like to see good technical knowledge in terms of finish of the garment and pattern cutting.
Calcutta designers have been doing excellently all over India and all around the world. So today also I feel I have a lot of expectation from these new designers.
Basically the theme is naturally loved.
That's looking a little bit more clumsy. Maybe her hair is also falling, so.
Have you made the garment?
This scene here is mainly meant for the 2 lovers, that bonding that I've tried to show you.
I'm not very happy. Yeah, just open the jacket.
Can you remove the... If Khadi Gramodyog had a national airline, their air hostesses would wear this. Prabhat, fetish is not a culture, fetish is a quality. Your subculture would be like grunge and goth and, you know.
Do we call the winner? You, Gaurav. Prabhat. Tell me, Prabhat, should you go to the finals?
Congratulations and make Kolkata proud.
5 डिजाइनर्स तो हो गए फाइनल। अब आई बारी दिलवालों के शहर दिल्ली की।
I'm expecting fashion which is edgy, which has a little bit of a twist.
I'm expecting new ideas and design, something new, something fresh, something not seen before. You may like it because you like layering. I don't.
I don't like layering much. It's well constructed.
I do love your turban though, I must say. It's fantastic.
The fabric, what I've chosen is muslin.
I like the shoes. Maybe you could have done away with the gloves because there's too much then.
I recently got married and I'm wearing churas which I can't take out. So
I'm happy with your gloves.
Thank you so much.
Your tailoring is good.
This thing is really derived from the Indian village, like the khadi jacket, and even the silhouette is derived from dhoti. It's like khada.
I think there's a sense of modern in it, which is what I like.
Thank you.
आप technically बहुत sound हैं, पर आपके design में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है.
Thank you.
My garment is inspired by the tribes of the world.
The skirt is very nice on its own.
Yeah.
Actually, I quite like it.
Thank you so much.
It reminds me of Candy Floss.
You would look good in this dress. Model was good.
Are you nuts?
The silhouette draws inspiration from the temple architecture of Jagannath Temple.
If you remove the shawl, this dress has more balance. It's fine.
She looks a little bit naked to me now.
Thank you so much.
There were some collections which were strong with color.
Each one had their own individualistic style and interpretation, which was unique to them and very interesting.
We have based the marks on the top 4 looks which were visibly so in front of our eyes today.
Akash Sinha,
Manjari Dhawi, Disha Sharma, Baby Prasad.
We wish you all the very best.
राजधानी के बाद लेट्स डिजाइन 3 के लिए डिजाइनर्स की तलाश शुरू हुई आमची मुंबई में.
I expect to see a lot of fresh talent and a lot of new innovative work.
It's a very big platform, and I hope really amazing designs come through today.
The sari pleat is a good idea. I have made her a prom queen.
Okay, thank you.
You don't even know your basics.
What is she wearing on top?
This is a lightweight cotton in obviously a very deep red.
Can she remove the shrug?
Really nice. Any reason why you did that texture?
It's not bad, but the description, the theme has no connection whatsoever to the outfit.
I think clearly simplicity was the winner of the day.
There were a few favorites from the beginning. So we knew that the winner was going to be from those 3 or 4 selected ones. And the winner of the Mumbai regional audition is Urvashi.
Hi friends, I'm coming to the Let's Design reality house. So let's design and have some good fun.
I'm very excited and I think I will be able to win this competition.
I'm really excited about it and I'm looking forward to the whole new challenge of going to Mumbai.
I feel very proud of myself that what I've done today.
I think I've got a great platform. I'm looking forward to have a wonderful experience in Mumbai.
मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कि मेरा नाम जजेस अनाउंस करेंगे.
और ये हैं लेट्स डिजाइन 3 के सुपर फाइनलिस्ट जिन्हें मिला है मौका अपने सपनों को साकार करने का, अपने टैलेंट का जौहर दुनिया को दिखाने का.
Let's face it, it's not easy being a contender for the big prize of Cotton Council International presents Let's Design 3, Naturally in Love. From over 800 entries, only 16 participants who have that special spark were selected. And this year, our winner shall get a reward, or should we say rewards, which will put them on India's fashion map for a long, long time. So stay tuned to see who these lucky contestants are.